What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. Sunday brunch on the menu, barbecue shrimp, New Orleans style. Let's get it. Sports fans, we've got some awesome Texas Gulf shrimp, man. Colossal. I've already started cleaning those. For this recipe, head on is advised. The extra junk, that butter, that mustard, whatever you want to call it in the head, is going to provide you with so much flavor. To prep these is very simple. What I like to do is just take off these little legs. I don't want those in my mouth. I want to leave enough to grab a hold of that sauce. That way when you suck them off, man, heaven. If that harpoon is still intact, you want to get rid of that. Then I'll come back with a toothpick of some sort, and in between the shells on the back, I want to gently see if I cannot raise. There we go. That intestinal tract. Boom, there it is. And double check down on this end. Boom, ready to go. All right, we're gonna get these rinsed, placed on a paper towel to dry, and then we'll head to the stove to get our grits underway. All right, here I've got 2 cups of milk. To that, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of the last cup of my seafood stock. I made this when I made a pot of gumbo a couple of months ago. 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of seafood stock. I'm going to bring this to a nice simmer before I come in with my grits. Got 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt. All right, folks, we've got our stock and milk mixture at a nice simmer. I'm going to come in here. You can use your favorite grits. I'm using white grits today. And continuing to stir. I want to bring this back to a nice, slow simmering boil. We're going to come in here, some cheese of your choosing. All right, we're at a boil. Just going to remove this and set that off to the side to finish cooking. Let's get started on the shrimp. I've got a 1.5 sticks of butter, unsalted. This is one of those dishes where you got to be careful with salt because so many of the ingredients will bring a little salt to them. To this 1.5 sticks of butter, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of olive oil. That olive oil is going to help to stabilize that butter. We'll let that melt. Now that we've come to a full melt, come in here with a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. 5 small cloves of garlic that I grated. That smells good already. 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We've got Creole season, 1/2 tablespoon. Smoky sweet paprika. Some oregano, Mexican red pepper flakes. This is some flat iron sweet hot pepper flakes. And some black pepper, a couple of bay leaves. I will have all the measurements in the description, folks. Everybody into the pool. If you don't have red pepper flakes, Cayenne will get the job done. Not sure why this is called barbecue, but I know it's delicious. Mom and I first had this at Drago's in New Orleans. And I've come home since that was a couple of years ago. Came home immediately and gave it a shot, and we enjoyed it. This might be the 3rd time we've cooked it. Gonna come in here with about 3 green onions chopped up. We're gonna let this cook for a little bit. Give it a taste, double check for salt. All right, Mom and I tasted this, and we can definitely use some more salt. So we're coming in with maybe another 1/2 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Remember, folks, you can always add salt. Very difficult to remove. We'll give this another 2 minutes cooking, and then we're going to bring our shrimp into this sauna. Mama said she wanted a little more heat. So in with another, give or take, teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. think our salt level is where it needs to be. Time to grab a hold of this shrimp. All right, we've been drying. And the last thing we want to do here, folks, is overcook our shrimp. We're looking at maybe 2.5, 3 minutes per side. Once this starts bubbling again, we want the shrimp to curl, but not a hard curl, a loose curl. Let's give them a few minutes. Almost 3 minutes. Let's see about getting these turned over. All right, folks, we're good right here. I would like to get this off before these shrimp hit 145 because they're going to finish cooking in the pan with the residual heat. My stove is off, just a little greenery, and we're removing them from the burner. Here we are, sports fans. Oh, this looks like heaven. I'm not sure how you like your grits, how loose, but that's totally up to you. But this is where we are. We like them sort of like in between in terms of texture. Wow. Stomach's rumbling. Just one more. What the heck? Folks, that is a thing of beauty. Wow. You're going to want to dig into this while everything is nice and hot. Oh my goodness. You know, with all that butter, man, it's going to be absolutely delicious. Spicy, briny, not salty. You come here and you get this, the little bottom, little leftover stubs. Oh my, wow. Delicious. Sunday brunch, sports fans, absolutely delicious. That cook took all of 25 minutes. Hardest part is the prep. Get it done. You're gonna enjoy it. Want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.